John Ashbery was born in 1927 and died in 2017. He is well known for his obscure style and the complexification that we find in his poetry. His full name was John Lawrence Ashbery, who was born in Rochester, New York, and died in 2017. So he was an American poet noted for his elegance, originality, but obscurity at the same time, which was found in his poetry. कि इसकी poems को समझने के लिए काफी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, because he gives various images within a poem. तो एक ही poem के अंदर इसके various images हैं जो ये present करता है. Harvard University से उसने graduate किया and then worked like an editor for some time, and then he returned to New York and again worked as executive editor of Art News till 1972. And then he started teaching poetry in Brooklyn College. So his first published book, Turandot and Other Poems, in 1953, and then Some Trees and the Tennis Court Oath, Rivers and Mountains. So these poems gave him a good name and fame at the same time. उसकी जो collection थी Self Portrait in a Convex Mirror in 1975, इसमें से National Book Award के लिए National Book Award for Poetry वो award मिला, and also the Pulitzer Prize for Poetry, and moreover the National Book Critics Circle Prize. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा famous हुई इसकी Self Portrait in a Convex Mirror. So it basically, उसकी popularity की reason क्या थी? Self Portrait of a Convex Mirror. It was basically a poem जिसमें एक collection है जिसमें ये वाली इसी नाम के साथ एक poem भी है. Basically he talks about an Italian painter. So Italian painter को वो इसमें discuss करता है. इसमें बड़ा एक idiocentric किस्म का attitude है इसका regarding this poem. ये जो convex mirror था, इसमें इसने पहले इसकी कॉपी देखी पेंटिंग की, जो कि जो ओरिजिनल पेंटिंग थी बेसिकली द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के अंदर सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट, वो परमिगियानियो वाज द पेंटर जिसने इस एक पेंटिंग को पेंट किया था. सो उस पेंटिंग की खूबसूरती क्या थी या उसके अंदर क्या इंपॉर्टेंट था कि वो जो राइटर था पोइट, उसका ही वाज डिफॉर्म्ड, उसका एक हाथ उसके जिस्म के हवाले से काफी बड़ा था. तो वो उस चीज को ऐसे पेंट करता है जैसे कि कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है, और उस कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में थोड़ा जिस हम जानते हैं कि कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में आपका अगला पार्ट थोड़ा सा उभरा हुआ नजर आता है और पिछला हिस्सा थोड़ा सा छोटा नजर आता है. सो ही पेंटेड हिमसेल्फ इन इट एंड इट वाज नॉट बेसिकली अ मिरर, उसने वुड पे पेंट किया था. So the painting depicts a young artist in the middle of the room, like distorted by the use of a convex mirror, and the hand in the foreground, which is seemingly bigger and distorted by the mirror. So the work was painted on specially prepared convex panel in order to mimic the curve of the mirror used. Basically, वो जो उसने paint किया, he depicted it as a mirror which was not in fact a mirror. तो ये बड़ी important किस्म की पेंटिंग थी. और फिर इसने उसको जो पोम में लिखा तो it was something having very obscure themes, और उस thought को जब उसने बयान किया तो he got 3 prizes for this set of poetry. Furthermore, a wave, April galleons, flowchart and a star were shining. ये इसके works से जो कि later on 2008 तक he kept writing. Furthermore, he went to translation, to French writings को इसने translate किया, और जो French works थे, he brought them into translation in prose and poetic forms. इसकी poetry के अंदर हमें puzzlement जो लोगों को feel हुआ, puzzlement थी, और the poems suffered hostility क्योंकि extreme level की difficulty थी इसकी poems में. इसमें जो images थे, they were very arresting, exquisite rhythms जो इसने use किए. The form was very intricate, एंड सडन शिफ्ट ऑफ टोन वाज देयर। तो इस वजह से उसकी जो फ्रेगमेंटेशन थी उसमें काफी लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होती थी। दे many people did not like his writing style. These are his famous works, जिसमें सारेंजा सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट इन अ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, जो कि जिसको भी हमने डिस्कस किया। So these were the major writings by John Ashbery, who was one of the promising American writers of the modern age.